Here is how easy it is to make Thieves Cleaner from the Thieves Concentrated Cleaner packet that I probably sent you. Grab yourself a 32-ounce spray bottle, fill up 30 ounces of distilled water, and then put that packet of concentrated cleaner into it. You want to put the water in first because if you put the cleaner in first and then put the water, it'll bubble up and you don't want to lose your liquid gold. Now, you can also get Thieves Concentrated Cleaner in the 14.4 ounce and you can get it in the 64 ounce. But either way, whichever bottle you buy, all you need is one cap. Just one cap of that magical plant-based concentrate filled with water, and you have an amazing all-purpose cleaner that will clean everything from granite, marble, tile, wood, leather, you name it. Check out my videos, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy on my YouTube channel. Send me a message if you want to try the sample, and I'll gladly get you one. Stay Crunchified clean.